this is Tyres. This is BBQ 101. We're in Maydan, North Carolina, and we are doing some more grilling. This is going to be a segue, if you will. We're going to do something and do the simplest thing I know how to do, and that's how to cook hot dogs and cook chicken. We're going to grill some chicken. Now, if you look here, our chicken is being marinated in Italian dressing. We have butterflied the chicken, and we've got it simmering inside of the Italian dressing. This is robust Italian dressing. This is the cheapest dressing they had because it was on sale. That's why I'm using it. It was $1. So we're using this, and the chicken's marinating, but I'm gonna cook these hot dogs first. And if you look at the hot dogs, we got two types. We got the classic North Carolina Redskin hot dog. Been around forever. And these brown ones are all beef hot dogs. Now, if you look really close, there's a slit in almost every one of these. And I guarantee you, every one of them, there's a slit. Here's the reason why. We cut a slit in every hot dog, 2 slits. So when you put them on the grill, they don't tend to curl up. They'll stay straight. So that way, you will get a good hot dog, and you won't have a hot dog tilted up on your bun and one tilted down on your bun, and you have a hard time getting all of your other condiments on the bun. So that's why we put a slit in there, so they will stop trying to curl. They'll stay flat. Don't cut all the way through. Just scar them just a little, about a third, just enough so that the hot dog won't tend to curl. So the grill is hot. It is very hot. So I'm gonna raise this, gonna show you. The grill is hot. We turned it up wide open. And the only reason why we did that is because we're trying to burn off the excess fat from our last cook. That's something you have to do periodically. We're not gonna cook this wide open. We're gonna cook these on low. So if y'all get in close, you'll start to hear a sizzle. What I normally do is put the hot dogs every other space slit on my grill. This is a cast iron grate. This grate will be here forever, but the cast iron aids in the cooking. So every other grate slot is gonna get a hot dog. So all I gotta do is turn over to the next one, keep going over, and I'll have all of them rotated. Again, we're using tongs because it's just much easier to pick up the meat and to handle the meat with a tong. Okay, we'll let that cook a little while. And we don't need to check it. We're just gonna let it cook. I got it on low. It's gonna cook low. Relight my back burner here. That's one of the miracles of having gas. All you have to do is turn a knob and you get the heat that you want. So we're going to turn them all on now, all 3. We're going to let it sit there and cook, take its time. There are always those in your party who want you to burn them a hot dog. They can't just get a scarred cooked hot dog. It's got to be charcoal black burnt like this. And sometimes you just have to do that to satisfy everybody. So we'll cook the hot dogs, we'll take them off the grill, we'll plate them up, and then we'll go on to our chicken. So now the chicken. So we're gonna take the chicken breast that we have been marinating for about half an hour in Italian dressing, robust Italian dressing, and I'll put them on the grill. That's what you wanna hear. You wanna hear that sizzle. I turn my heat back up to medium. I can readjust from there if it's too hot. We're using our tongs again. You never want to use your bare hands with raw chicken. Cross-contamination. And that's about a 4-pound package of chicken breast that we cut in half, as we call them, butterfly, and just spread them out, let them sit inside the marinade for about 30 minutes, go right to the grill while the grill is hot. Now, it's not gonna cook with the lid up. It's gonna, if you're looking at it, it's not cooking. If you're looking, it's not cooking. But what we want is just to watch it. We're gonna watch the time, we're gonna watch the temperature, and we're also gonna look around this edge right here. Look at the smoke. The smoke is gonna tell us how this is doing. If you get blue smoke just rolling out from this cooker, it's cooking too hot, too fast, and you're gonna burn your chicken. So slow and low temperature is the best possible policy for chicken. So we're gonna leave the marinade right here inside the bowl, and if I need a little for the top before I flip it, it's okay to use that. But once the chicken is cooked and it comes off this grill, that chicken doesn't go back into this mixture because this has had raw chicken in it. And you don't want to put cooked chicken in with raw chicken. It's not good. You'll get sick. So we're gonna watch this, and this is only gonna take a few minutes. Then we're gonna have grilled chicken salads. Some people will just choose to eat just the chicken by itself on a plate without it being over a bed of lettuce. We tend to like to put it over lettuce and have a chicken salad. So this is gonna take just a few minutes. We'll come right back to you and we'll show you the end result. Okay, so you can tell that the chicken is done on one side because it starts to turn white. It's no longer that pink flavor or that pink look we had. So we're gonna take and flip these over, and they're done on that side. Again, we're using the tongs because that grill is hot, and your hands over that grill is very, very hot. And as I've said before, there are hot spots on this grill. For some reason or another, from here over, it's cooking hotter than it is from here to here. But the burners run this way. It shouldn't be that way, but that's what's happening with this grill. So we're getting ready to take the chicken off, and we haven't been looking at this, and here is the final product. So what we're gonna do is we're not ready to plate this up. We're just gonna take it off the grill. No particular order, no style. Still using our tongs because this is extremely hot. And we're gonna go inside with this. First thing we always do, we always turn off the gas at the tank first. Watch it, it's gonna burn all the way across and down and back. And when that pops, all the gas is gone. It's safe to turn all our knobs off. We're ready to cook another day. So we're gonna go inside and we're going to add some dressing into this. Okay, so we've got our finished product here. The hot dogs have been cooked, and they are twice their size when they're done, and then they shrink down to the size that they should be. And then we're gonna finish off our chicken with the Italian dressing right here, and gonna put it all over the chicken. Okay? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put as much as I can. That's gonna finish it off. And we're gonna toss this. It's gonna continue to marinate and cook just a little bit. Okay? That's our finished product. And what we will do, I'm gonna show you all this. This is the latest tool that I have bought. Smoky Mountain Knife Works. Got me a real nice cleaver. I'm gonna take this chicken, just like this, and with this cleaver, I'm going to slice this up into strips. Okay, and that's how we're going to eat this chicken. We're gonna put this over a bed of lettuce. We've got our condiments here. We've got onion, we've got eggs, we've got tomatoes, the lettuce, and we have dressing. And we're gonna have cheese on top of this, and we're gonna have a traditional Southern grilled chicken salad. Appreciate everybody watching. This is Tyres BBQ 101.